Ano to? Magkaiba-iba na. Huh? Marami rin palang sabaw eh. Alis dyan! Kain tayo ng mami. Kasi wala si daddy. Mami lang muna yung kakainin. Saan may maanghang? Ito yata maanghang oh. Ito oh, may pula-pula. Mami sa tag-ulan. Mami tayo guys. Kain tayong mami. Ayan oh. Masarap sa tag-ulan si mami kahit wala si daddy. Lagyan ko ng konting kanin si mami. Diba pwede naman yun?
Parang mga tubig.
Ha? Wala, may lang. Kakain ako. May naman pa yun. Mami kayo dyan. Mabili rin yung mami nila doon, no? Plain lang, no? Diba? Pwede na to. Lalo na sa tag-ulan. Ang habol mo lang dito sa bawi, no? Ubos na yung sa kasama ko, oh. Yung sa akin, konti na lang po, sabaw. Wala nang laman. Alis dyan! Ay, nako naman, Pureng. Wala ka naman dito, ma. Ano eh. Ang hugasan. Ayan. Singka chicha. Parang ano kami dito eh, may restaurant. Dami namin lagi hugasan dito sa lababo. Kagad ang hugasan eh. Busy kasi yung mga tao eh. Magluluto tayo guys ng ribs. Ribs siya, buto-buto siya, ribs siya. Kaya nga, ribs kasi buto-buto nga. Pero anuhin ko muna siya ng ano. Wait lang, lamasin ko ng asin. Alis din, Ling! Lamasin ko siya guys ng asin. Pang disinfect daw. Sabi? Ano lang, para matanggal lang yung ano, something. Naghatid na naman siguro ng pabango dito yung alagad mo. Na, tumutubo na yung patatas, oh. Tumutubo na yung patatas, oh. Pwede na itanim, oh. Ay, sana all. Oh. Tumutubo na siya. Sana all tumutubo. Alis dyan, Mikya. Ay, ginoo si Mikya. Asan na yung mga kutsilyo dito, oy? Hindi naman nakakarating dito sa lagayan. Uy! Ano yan? Masalang ka na?
Baba.
Alis dyan! Alis dyan! Didiretso ko na siya dito sa kaserola. Alis dyan! Ay, nako si Kulit. Baba, Kulit! May diretso ko na siya dito. Ano yun? Ito na. Pinot. Ano ba yan?
Wala kang nawali sa tornilyo dito.
Ano? Wala.
Yun lang yung electric pan eh.
Baka nandun sa CR kasi dinala ko yan. Paano ako may mawalis? Eh, hindi naman ako nagwawalis pa dyan. Bilhan na lang natin kasi maluwag na rin kasi yun eh. Bakit kaya yung maluwag? Kaya ano na, tabingi na eh, yung tayo ng electric pan eh. Kasi, di ba nilinis ko yan? Nagtaka ako yung sabi, bakit ganito na tutumba yung pala maluwag yung ano, maluwag yung tornilyo na, yung doon nga sa baba, dalawa. Sabi ko, sus, kaya pala. Bilhan na lang natin yan. Alis! Ay nako! Ay nako naman si Mikya. Haluan ko ng saging. Dati nung niluto namin, ang hinalo ko, patatas, pitsay, at saka mais. Ngayon, ano naman, saging naman saba. Saging hinog na saba. Ano ba ito? Bumili kami ng isang piling ng saging na hinog. May panghalo na sa ulam, may pang merienda pa. Matumba! Yung saging, oh, parang pabugtok na siya. Dadalang ko kami isa. Mga 5 saging. 5 saging yung hinalo. Sarap kasi yung marami ding halo, oh. Okay. Tapos, kaya ko muna ito ng tubig. Pinalitan ko siya guys ng ano, kaserola. Kasi yung half casserole, maliit pala. Ito kasi casserole talaga yung malawak ba malalim. Ayan. Pero maganda rin naman to. Itong maganda rin naman to kasi original. Ayan. Ganda. Legit yan, legit. Hindi fake. Legit yan. Ano ba ito? Nagsipagtatalunan. Nagtatalon man itong mga... Alis! Ay, talaga naman. Nagagalit na ako eh. Talaga si Kulit. Makulit talaga eh. Ay! Ano ba talaga kulit? Ikaw ba talaga ay makulit? Hay, nako. Lagyan ko na siya ng paminta kaso walang buo. Kaya ito na lang durog. Pareho lang yan. Pwede na yan. Kahit durog. Basta pamantsa. Hindi na siguro to. Nilagyan ko na siya ng magic sarap para sumipsip yung lasa dun sa laman. Lambot na? Malambot na. Pwede na ilagay yung patatas at saka saging. Tapos tikman mo lang kasi nilagyan ko rin ng asin, magic sarap. Ito, huwag na yan isali, dalawa lang. Yan. Mamaya na yung dahon pag naluto na yung patatas na kasaging. Mamaya na yung pichay. Medyo lakasan mo kaya yung apoy.
Sakto lang.
In na. Okay na yun? Yan, nalunod na yung pichay. Konting kimbot na lang. Okay na.
Ano yung wallet na bro?
Parang batabang pa ng konti, Gom. Yan, sarap. Yung may saging at saka may patatas. Wow. Nagagalit eh. Laro kayo ni Colette. Ala, gagalit si Mickey. Ala. Sabi niya, ikaw Oo. Inaaway niya si Kulit. Huwag, Mikya. Huwag mo away si, Kulit. Kawawa, Kulit. Oh, ayan, puling-puling. Umalis na tuloy si Mikya.
Pusa namin, di nangangalmot.
Mabait din si Puling eh. Si Puling! Mabait din si Puling. Kasi yan eh. Anak ng simbahan yan eh.
Nagagalit na. Nagagalit.
Natingin pa sa'yo. Natingin mo yung buntot. Wag, mabait yan. Puling. Mabait din si Puling-ling. Pag pinagalitan yan, pupunta yan sa tabi. Magmumukmok. Akala mo inaapi lagi yan pag pinapagalitan. Yes, gurang-gurang na. Gurang-gurangin na yan. Gurang-gurang na yan. Sige, Kia, go! Ayaw na tuloy. Kawawa naman si Kulit Kulit. Kawawa man yung kulit-kulit na yan. Kulit. Kabait-bait mo yan si Kulit sa ilalim talaga siya ng lamisa na pwesto lagi. Sa ilalim talaga ng lamisa lagi yan. Si Kulit-Kulit, blue eyes yan. Hoy, Kulit! Halika dito, dali. Bakit andyan ka? Tatago ka dyan? Kawawa naman yun ang kulit-kulit namin yan. Dali, laro kayo doon ni Mikya. Dali, abulin mo doon si Mikya, dali. Umalis na. Hoy, andito naman ito. Ano yan? Kala mo malalaglag eh. Alis, alis, alis. Ay, may gamot. Alis dyan! Ah! Ay! Hindi ko napansin. Ang sakit lang pa ako, yapi. Nabagsakan yung kuko ko. Yan, mga ipis pa. Alis dyan, ay ang kulit talaga ni Mikya ba? Saan na yung remote? Mikya, napakakulit mo, Mikya. Lilinis ako dito sa kwarto. Dahil may amoy na, amoy tao. Alam nyo na yun. Pati to, tignan nyo. Ang dumi. Ang dumi din ng siling pandaw kuno namin. Ano ba yan? Hindi na lilinisan lagi. Kasi alam nyo na manood habang naglilinis. Manood tayo sa YouTube. Ang kulit talaga. Tignan mo yung, yung alaga ko, yung, tignan mo, umaakyat pa talaga, Mikya! Ay sas, kakulit! Ano ba yan? Makulit ka talaga pag naglilinis.
Pop that balloon. Exactly, alright? So you guys pop on some shoes. some clothes, anything that we can just. All right, see, y'all been listening. I love it. Okay, so we're gonna give him a chance. All right. Let's be open-minded, and you never know, we might meet our king.
I'm gonna go do some interviews.
All right, let's bring out our first single gentleman. Hello.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm a barber and a barber educator. I own my own business.
Oh, nice. Okay, so you actually do it and you teach it.
Yes, I do.
Very good. Okay. Do you have any children?
Yes, I do.
How many?
5. Since they didn't hear me.
I didn't hear you.
Yeah, I know.
How many mothers?
4 mothers.
Okay, so 4 and 5. All right, what are the ages?
My oldest. I'm a businessman at the end of the day.
Kids are expensive. You thought the tax money was enough?
I love kids. Now, like I just said before, I love to have a big family. So that's nothing. But what I'm saying is, if my ex-wife now decided to have a child with our husband at the time, right, and we was separated, so me and her decided that we was gonna have a kid and we was gonna take care of our kid. So that's was our agreement.
So you guys were already divorced?
No, we was already separated.
So you had separated and said, let's have a kid. So
yeah, she asked me to have a kid, and I was like, let's go down. I mean, I was single. I was a single man. I'm still single, so I just had a kid. And then it's just all tax purpose for her business. So.
Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting. That's different. Okay. Thank you for sharing that.
No problem.
Yeah, that's
I'm
different.
Vietnamese, by the way, so that's another thing why tax and money and everything go together. So if nobody, y'all ladies, y'all beautiful. Y'all understand? I'm cool. You know what I'm saying? My life is set, like she said. My life, I'm already set.
I personally don't understand, but it's okay. Like you said, that's y'all. Y'all got that. Okay, we're gonna go on to the next one. Okay. All right, beautiful. Get your name and age.
Aquila, 41.
And what do you do?
I am I'm a poet. I'm a writer. I also own a magazine online.
All right. So you did have your balloon unpopped at first, and then you switched up. So what happened? What's going through your head?
Well, I was being open-minded. I have a child, so it's fine that he has 5 kids. However, having one child with somebody you've been divorced with, who's to say that you can't go back?
Can I correct you? We wasn't divorced when we had our kid.
Well, separated, legally still married, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so who's to say you can go back and have another baby?
That's
So
why I divorced, so we're not going back to have no baby. I'm moving forward. At the end of the day, I get y'all ladies, y'all gotta be secure in what y'all do, but I'm gonna tell y'all, I've been there, done that. My player ways is over. I've been single for 3 years, so I rebuilt myself.
So
all the red flags that you hear,
yeah.
y'all can pop the balloon all day, but at the end of the day, I know what type of dude I am, what type of man I am, and what I bring to the table.
So one thing I can appreciate about you is that you are honest. You seem to be a very honest person, and I appreciate that.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm also being honest by
No,
saying how
fine.
I feel as well too.
That's fine.
And she said, when that's your type?
She is.
All right, let's go back here. All right, you popped on me. Can I get your name and age?
I'm Shakira and I'm 38.
And what do you do?
I'm a hairstylist, serial entrepreneur. Yeah, I got my own hair oil and I sell hair.
That's fine.
All right, so you was holding on to it for a little bit, and then you popped. What was your thought process?
You know that when the 1-year-old was like real shaky for me, I'm like, because you know it could still be something there. It's the 1-year-old, the baby that you was for the taxes.
It's my baby mother. That's her purpose.
I know, but that was the 1-year-old, the baby for the taxes.
Yeah, that's the business.
Yeah, that's because like if y'all could like agree to that, what if you pondering one day sitting down like, hey?
It's a good thing and a bad thing. You can say that I got all my stuff out the way, all my cheating and whatever I got out the way, and I'm just a straight narrow guy. You ain't got to worry about that. Or you can just feel insecure and feel like I'm just still him. All right, but only time can actually like weigh that out. You know.
I understand. I respect it. I don't like other than that. I was like, okay, we can make some business. I'm in my mind. We got an empire in my mind. I'm like, okay, we could build an empire, but
I have a question for you. Can I ask? What is your love path?
my love who?
Path.
Path? What do you mean? Elaborate. No, I don't know what
So
it has.
it's a love pad test. Y'all can take it, and then what it does is it
You talking about love languages?
no love path. I'm an architect. So I plan everything I do for success.
Okay.
So with my kids, I plan that out. And just to throw this in there, the more kids I have, the more business building I have. When my kids are older, they get to have these buildings because I'm an entrepreneur and I don't have a 401k. So this is why my business is what it is.
I get it. I can see that. That's cool. But that 1 year old, a little bit too shaky for me, my brother.
And then you
I'm
get to
like,
see that 1 year old, you be like, oh, she's
What if you sit down one day like, you know, maybe I can have another kid with her saying, you know,
No, right.
this doesn't look like it's working out, you know, on the plan it says this, you know, I probably have to remove
Well,
her.
for one, she's not. Well, she used to be attracted to me until we got a little older, and you know.
Aw.
But like I said, so attraction has to come in play. That's why I said you have to have time with me. If no woman have time with me, y'all would just, I'm just a walking red
That
flag.
paperwork is looking crazy. But you're a good catch, though. I'm not gonna hold you. I feel like you're a good guy too, but
I
that's.
feel like you need your balloon back too.
I don't know about that one, my
Sorry.
friend.
I'll catch you on the run.
Because of that.
So, question for you, just so we can clarify for everyone, that door is cracked, but would be completely closed if you were able to
The
find
door
someone.
is shut.
Oh, so there's no
The
nothing.
divorce is final. It ain't nothing going on. Hey, listen, I don't have no woman out there calling me their man, all right?
Okay,
So I'm 3 years
because that's what
strong.
everyone's problem is.
Yeah,
They're thinking,
I-
like, is that door so cracked? And,
Like I tell them, they just gotta have time with me. So,
okay.
you know.
But you have, like you said, you're an architect. You said it's a love path.
Yeah, it's a love path. Like,
Okay.
like I said, y'all.
You can look that up.
But yeah. So it's a love path. It's 25 questions. You answer it. They give you, it's 5 different things. So then you figure out, and then each one gonna tell you what you really are. So then your loved one can decide if they want to deal with you or not. So like I'm telling y'all, I plan everything. So if y'all not on time or whatever, y'all ain't for me. So
Okay.
I'm a straight up.
I'm actually very curious. Baby!
Ay. Naop. Isa na isa. Ano guys, yung sapi namin. Yan ay higaan namin. May natitira pa dong lotion, oh. Nao pala. Ang kinagandahan lang pagka may TV ka sa kwarto kasi habang nagpapaantok, pwedeng manood, ganun. Kaysa yung TV mo nasa sala. Mas maganda pa rin yung may TV ka sa loob ng kwarto. Yun. Ay. Ito. Ito. Ay. Ito. swerte pa. Ay. Hindi pa naayos ito, ano. Sana pala yung ano. Ang swerte nila, oh, yung nagtatrabaho sa Kuwait. Ayan, oh, may mga gamit na ano, mga tinatapon. Yung mga, ayan, oh, binibenta muna yan. Tapos pag hindi na ubos, ayan, iiwanan ng mga nagmamay-ari, mga nagtitinda dyan, iwanan lang sila. Pamimigay na dyan kung sinong may gusto kukuha, pwede. Ang galing, no? Ang galing ng ano, bansa nila sa Kuwait, oh. Ang yaman nila sa mga kitchenware. Gusto ko yung ganyan content niya, yung mga gamit, pinupulot nila, ang gaganda. Ang galing.
Yan lang.